Schwab on pace for its worst day in more than 3 years. Down almost 10% now after the company cut some of its fees to zero. Kailey Leinz is here with more.
Yeah, so this is going to be effective on October 7th, and eliminating all fees for online stock, ETF, and options trades, also taking the base charges for options down to zero. Now, the company sees that this is going to have an impact of about $90 to $100 million on quarterly revenue, about 3 to 4% of net revenue, which is why you're seeing the stock take a hit today. But frankly, Schwab kind of had to do this in order to attract more assets. Investors are really just flocking to these cheaper products. I was looking through some research from our analysts here at Bloomberg Intelligence. About 97% of the flows into passive funds we've seen this year have been into funds that have fees of 20 basis points or less. So this is just kind of where the market is going. We've seen a lot of Schwab's competitors do this. The likes of BlackRock and Vanguard offer thousands of no-fee ETFs. Plus, Interactive Brokers actually made a move last week toward these zero commission trades. So this is just where the market was headed, and Schwab had to catch up.
Kailey, though, presumably there are plenty of companies that have not done this yet and are now going to have to follow suit.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the street really telling you today that we're going to see more of this, because when one company makes a move such as this, others have to catch up or even do something more aggressive in order to stay competitive. So you're seeing a lot of these online brokers fall in sympathy today. TD Ameritrade down 23%, E-Trade down about 17%, Interactive Brokers taking it on the chin a bit as well. And it's worth noting, Guy, that for the likes of TD Ameritrade and E-Trade, these trading commissions are a much larger part of their revenue than even for Schwab. For TD Ameritrade, according to Credit Suisse, it's about a quarter, about 25%, and for E-Trade, it's about 17%. So they're much more exposed to this, and should they have to reduce fees or take them down to zero, such as Schwab did today, it could be a bigger hit from them. And actually, our Bloomberg Intelligence analyst here, David Ritter, said that this may be a catalyst for E-Trade's new management to seriously consider a merger with TD Ameritrade in order to stay competitive in this lower fee to no fee environment.
A merger.
Possibly.